my dear friends and family, welcome back to the Naga Adventurer channel. Today we are going to the sheep farm in a place called Pulwa. That's near Zilikay. We're going to have a lot of fun. Keep watching the video. Anugrah and Dia here with me. It's Dia's first trip to Nagaland. So we're going to explore Nagaland today.
Push the clouds away, paint a rainbow in your heart. And the ice cold of winter snow will color you a rainbow.
We are entering Konoma village and this is the way to Zilikay.
What a pretty village, yeah, on top of that hill.
You first try.
Very smart. Naga adventurers should try first. We eat like this, see? Inside you can eat.
That's one fruit. This is one cloud.
When we eat this fruit, but this now it's not ripe. When you eat it becomes your tongue will become purple. Okay, but now you can eat this one. See, when we were kids we used to eat this like this. Yeah.
You first try. You first.
Mmm.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna die. I tried first. Now, if I die, you should not eat. Okay. Yeah, just try this.
It tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing. Oh.
Anugrah, dear baby, you want wild apple?
Okay. Yes.
Wow. Dear baby, you plug this one. Plug. Plug it. Wild apple. Yes. This side the color is nice. See, wild apple. Okay.
Can I bite it?
Oh, you can bite it. Oh, you want me to taste first?
You taste.
I'll taste first. Huh? Then give me. Sour.
Oh.
Sour,
Oh
no?
my goodness. Naga Adventurers are great. I'll go ask the cow if you want it.
Chalo. Who wants wild apple?
Me. Just shake the whole tray. Many
No,
will come.
take. Yeah, baby. Wild apple.
Oh wow, so many.
So many wild apples.
You want to be careful? Ayo, your mommy's just hanging by a branch.
We should pluck only what we want to eat. We should not waste it, okay?
Let's take two.
One more. One last one. Okay. Wild apple.
Remember, be a little careful.
Okay. Naga Adventurer will show you how to cross the fence. This is how we do in Nagaland. Okay? Like this. We do like this. Woo! Woo! Come on.
You can also come through the door. It's open, look.
I know!
Welcome to Zilikay!
Yay!
See, mommy.
Yes. This is a beautiful place in Zilikay, Hanging Bridge. Oh dear baby, how is the experience? right?
Gotari nada.
Oh, itu bitor tu naga cucumber nisa sabule na lagi so na. Ara bisa interesting asa to. Korean cucumber. This is how it looks. Itu sabule ti naga ase. Korea laga cucumber ase uside. Moi bi first time try korla ase tu Pulwa laga busti te pai. We get this in Pulwa village. This is the first time I'm going to try. Very juicy. Tiga jangan tiga jadi. Come Anugrah, come. Try.
Very nice.
What is the flavor?
Sweet.
Like an apple and a cucumber.
Apple and cucumber.
Try.
Oh. Yeah, really. Take, Anugrah. Thank you.
Biya hoise na?
Wow, what a beautiful place. Look at the meadow in Pulwa, in Peren district. Wow. We should go down. Look at this place, man. Such a lovely and peaceful place. Wow. This is a beautiful meadow. Anugrah and I are going to try this extra hot gooseberry.
Gooseberry.
Extra hot, okay? Is it hot?
Oh, so hot.
We have come to the sheep farm in Pulwa village.
They'll follow you.
Okay, let's go. Don't scream, okay? Just slowly go and sit near them. Go. Hey, finally we have reached the sheep farm.
Mama, the big one is coming to you.
No problem. You don't need to take it. Don't worry. Wow, look at this.
Mommy's another.
The mother is here and the little one is there. Look at the little one. What happened? We won't hurt you, don't worry. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, go to the little one.
Little one.
Little. See, they're going. This way, going.
Mother, kuchu.
Such a joy to see the sheep in Nagaland. Come, have a look. Oh, look at that. This is a huge one. Look at the horse.
Jami, be careful, Jami.
Wow, look at it.
Mother, father.
This one is huge. I've observed that the mother is really protective of the little one. See. This is how God, the Good Shepherd, always is there to protect us. It was a great day to come to the sheep farm in Pulwa, and it's really refreshing and really happy to see the sheep in Nagaland. All of you should come and check out this place. A great place to come and explore. Thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed, please do that. I'm coming up with more adventure and more fun videos.